Mother's Land community. It's moving day for the chicks. Moving day. Look at them. All right, we'll be back. Trying to turn it. I'm trying to turn it as you push. I'm not pushing it off. Okay. Got that. Okay. Push it in. Okay. Yeah, I know I'm trying to keep on. Clear. All right, Mother's Land community, we have it where we want it to be for now. It actually was very sturdy when we moved it, and so we are very pleased. It's starting to rain out here, so we're trying to get everything set up and get the chicks in here before it comes down any harder on us. So I still need to get them some more water set up. Matthew is taking care of a few things. I'm gonna go get the chicks off the hot tub. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Yep, we've gotten a little bit better on calling them she's. Yep, so let's see. Let's show our Mother's Land community who you guys are and how big you have gotten. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, okay, so this darker one. Wait a minute, they're trying to get out. This darker one, it's Cricket. It's Cricket. I thought Cricket was my favorite name. It was the one that had the black line going down her back. So this is Cricket. Look how big she has gotten. Yay, yay, yay. Ah, that is Tick. That is Tick. Always the fastest one. Always the first to do everything. So proud of her. This one is not white. It's kind of a grayish like color. She is Bug. This is Bug. And this one is Beetle. Beetle is the one that I worry about the most because she is always the last. So she's the last one to go eat. She's the last one to get bugs when we put bugs in here. So we have to make sure we put enough to make sure she's gonna get one. Yeah, that's how I did let down. So, you've met our family. You've met our little family. Okay. They have a roosting bar in here. I need to get the water. And this is their can that has their food in it. Has their food in it. Okay. What do you all think? You have a new space. So, I mean, they're starting to look like real chickens now. They really are. They're starting to look like real chickens. Okay, I'm back. So, we're still working on our setup. We really wanted to see if we could do this without spending any money. That was the plan. That was the hope. And so as you look at this up the top, right now, we haven't bothered to spend money on hooks. We're just gonna keep tying these ropes up and down as we need to. But then we found out that in order to get the water bottle off easily, we were still going to need to have something. So we have purchased something. I think Matthew said it only cost $1.
Here you go, chickadees. Here you go.
They love
Here you go.
and when Matthew brings them crickets.
Come on. Come on, come on. Stay in now. They're in there, in the grass. Y'all get them.
And so, there they go.
Seems like they need something.
They found somebody, Tick found that big one. Of course, because Tick is always first to find something. How many of them did you have?
4.
4? Okay. And he's looking for
I'll
his
never
second
go in
one.
with 2 or 3.
I have a bottle of water so I can interchange the water without having to go all the way back up to the house every time. And this is a new area, so they're just finding lots of bugs. So lots of new things to eat on. And I'm so pleased, so happy. I am satisfied, happy and satisfied. Hopefully we'll be able to see them from the house. I have a chair that I sit in sometimes in here with them. I have to show you the picture of them. The first time I did that, they climbed up on my arm. And it kind of surprised me. Kind of took me by surprise. I wasn't expecting it. But anyway, so here they go. There they go. We have a latch on the back, so we can be sure to latch it, put it back here. Okay. All right, girls. All right. We'll see y'all later.
This way.